Alright, here we go. Doing a deep penetration test. The 4570 with the Winchester Super X jacketed hollow points versus the Hornady Lever Revolution rounds. So let's see how well and how deep they go. Alright, here we go. Deep penetration. Again, 4570 through the CVA Scout. Shooting the difference between the Winchester Super X jacketed hollow point and the Hornady Lever Revolution, about 50 yards. Well, that might be interesting. Alright, well, we're going to get what we can and take it back to the table. We did not have clean penetration, but we definitely had total annihilation. So let's get this back to the table and we'll take a look. Crazy. Alright, here we go. We have the 4570 Lever Revolution versus Super X, and as you can see, we have total annihilation of it. I was trying to keep the bullets apart when I was taking the shot, and I ended up keeping them together, so it kind of blew everything to shit. So, well, we're gonna still see if we can figure out which is which. That's your Winchester, and that's the Hornady right there. So let's go with it. No tape cutting here. Well, it's obvious they went through the first two, and they're both drilling. And we're still just making a big wicked hole. You want to take a look? Look at that. Being shot twice with the 4570. And here we go. And it just keeps getting bigger. Oops. Rim to rim. But there you go. Here's your shockwave. This has been gonna definitely have to redo this one. So basically a fail, but it was interesting to see that is being shot. So if there is a wall about a foot thick of 2x4s, two shots will definitely take out the wall. That is insane. That's one of the bullets there. I'm assuming that's probably the Lever Revolution round. The bullet that I'm trying to. Now they both got the little crimp going around it. So kind of both got the crimp. I have no idea which one that is. Does it kind of look like that? Or does it look more like that? You all decide. So we definitely got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the 5th board. No, 6th board actually. 6th board. And there we go. A little bit of a fail, but it was still cool to see. Thanks for watching. I am betting that is the Lever Revolution. And that was another shard in there, and that's probably the hollow point, because those tend to just, so possibly.